Trucker spitting game, not to go broke, getting these trucks in the trucking industry. Let's watch the video.
All right, y'all. Don't go truck broke trying to hop into the trucking industry in 2025.
Smart.
I promise you that $20,000 Freightliner International is gonna make you the same amount of money as that $60,000 to $70,000 KW or Peterbilt.
Big facts. Big facts. He's speaking nothing but honesty. Doesn't matter what type of truck you have, it pulls the same thing. Be smart. Be smart with your money. Don't go broke just because you want a shiny new truck. But the crazy thing about these new trucks, they break down more than the older trucks.
That old truck is gonna make you the same amount of money as them new trucks will. I promise you. As long
Mm.
as you do a thorough walkthrough, you take that oil cap off after it's been running for a little while, make sure they ain't got no smoke coming out of it. Have you a mechanic do a thorough walkthrough. I promise you gonna be all right. One thing's for sure, two things for certain. That newer truck motor can blow just like that older truck can. But this
Very true. It's not like getting a brand new car when I got a brand new car. I'm straight for the next 4 5 years for sure. These semi trucks, you can get 5,000 miles and the whole engine will blow, and then you need a whole new engine. It's gonna take 2 months to get fixed. Now you out of a job. You can't drive nowhere, and you still paying insurance and your monthly expenses just to keep your company. The crazy thing is, you think buying a new semi truck you good, but you not.
the thing. That newer truck, if that motor blow, you still got a truck payment. That older truck that
Exactly.
you could pay cash for or get it paid off in a short amount of time, you ain't gonna owe no money on it, so you can get it fixed whenever you can get it fixed. I'm not
Exactly.
only talking, I'm speaking from experience. I bought a KW 4 or 5 years ago for 10 grand. And that thing is still running. The major issues that I've had out of it was getting the turbo redone and getting the camshaft replaced.
Smart. This guy's smart. Shout out to him. But the thing is, though, look, the broker ain't gonna care what kind of truck you got. If you tell the broker I got a 2026 Kenworth T680, the broker be like, I don't care, bro. You taking this cheap freight or not? So it does not matter, but you have to be smart. With a lot of things I tell new owner operators, and what I tell them in my course that I got is, look, get you a truck that you can afford, and if you can afford a truck and pay it all cash, get it. A lot of people may fight me on that, but that's one less payment you have to worry about. Get you an older truck, pay it cash, and now you don't have to worry about a truck payment. Because look, if that truck break down while you got a truck payment, you still got to pay that payment. That payment ain't gonna stop because your truck broke down. So one of the smartest things you can do at the owner operator as you starting is buy the truck cash. But like I said before, new truck, old truck, the brokers don't care. The shipper don't care. They just care that can that truck take this freight and deliver it safely. That's all that matters. You buying a new truck, you just trying to show off, and you're not really doing it to make money. You doing it to show off. So what type of truck are you gonna be? A broke one or a rich one? It's up to you.